Welcome to a land often overlooked but rich with charm, history, and affordability, Belarus. Nestled in the heart of Eastern Europe, this is a country of serene beauty, friendly people, and a cost of living that's surprisingly low. Belarus is a place where lush forests stretch endlessly, pristine lakes glisten under the sun, and modern cities hum with life. It's a haven for those seeking peace and simplicity, where you can live well on a fraction of what it costs in other European countries. Imagine walking through cobblestone streets lined with colorful buildings, sipping locally brewed kvass, and marveling at a lifestyle that prioritizes community and self-sufficiency. Belarus is also home to breathtaking natural landscapes, boasting the largest forest in Europe, where rare wildlife like the European bison roams freely. In today's documentary, we'll dive deep into the daily life of Belarus, exploring its affordability, unique culture, and why it's gaining attention as one of Europe's hidden gems. From its low-cost living and free healthcare to its fascinating festivals and single women eager to share their culture, Belarus is a place full of surprises. Stay with us as we uncover why this underappreciated country is worth your attention. Whether you're considering visiting, retiring, or simply exploring, Belarus has something for everyone. Make sure to stick around for insights on how to save money and make the most of your stay here. Let's get started. Geography and climate of Belarus. Belarus, also known as White Russia, is a tranquil country located in Eastern Europe. It shares borders with Poland, Lithuania, Latvia, Russia, and Ukraine, making it a crossroads of diverse cultures and histories. Covering over 207,000 square kilometers, Belarus is larger than many might think, roughly the combined size of Belgium, Switzerland, the Netherlands, and Hungary. Despite its size, Belarus has a modest population of just 10 million people, offering plenty of open spaces and a peaceful atmosphere. This makes it an ideal destination for those who prefer serenity over the hustle and bustle of larger European countries. Its temperate continental climate brings cool, rainy summers and mild winters. While frost is common, it adds to the picturesque charm of the countryside. What sets Belarus apart is its balance of modernity and tradition. Cities like Minsk offer all the amenities of urban living, while rural areas boast sprawling fields and dense forests that contribute to the nation's nickname as the lungs of Europe. These forests, covering over 36% of the land, not only purify the air but also provide a sanctuary for wildlife, including the European bison and lynx. For nature lovers and those seeking a slower pace of life, Belarus offers the perfect blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. Whether you're hiking in the wilderness or exploring the vibrant streets of its cities, the country's geographical diversity ensures there's always something new to discover. A frugal lifestyle rooted in self-sufficiency. In Belarus, frugality isn't just a necessity, it's a way of life. The locals have mastered the art of self-sufficiency, ensuring that even on modest incomes, life remains fulfilling and meaningful. Walk through any neighborhood, and you'll notice lush gardens filled with homegrown produce. From potatoes to onions, carrots to cabbages, almost every Belarusian grows their own vegetables, a tradition that's passed down through generations. In rural areas, self-sufficiency extends beyond gardens. Many households raise chickens, collect eggs, and even produce homemade dairy products. This not only cuts costs but also creates a strong connection to the land and the food they consume. In cities, small plots of land are transformed into productive gardens, showcasing the resourcefulness of the Belarusian people. Even cars reflect this practical mindset. Many vehicles date back to the Soviet era but are maintained with care, thanks to the abundance of spare parts available in local markets. It's not uncommon to see cars from the 1970s or 1980s still cruising the streets, a testament to their durability and the ingenuity of their owners. What's more, seniors aged 60 and over enjoy free public transportation within cities. This allows retirees to travel without worrying about expenses, a benefit many in wealthier countries can only dream of. The Belarusian lifestyle proves that living frugally doesn't mean sacrificing quality. Instead, it's about making the most of what you have while cherishing the simple joys of life. Healthcare and education. Affordable and accessible. Belarus takes pride in providing its citizens with accessible and affordable healthcare and education, ensuring that basic needs are met without financial stress. Healthcare in Belarus is essentially free, covering everything from routine checkups to complex surgeries. This is one of the reasons why the country is emerging as a destination for medical tourism. Each year, over 200,000 foreigners visit Belarus for its healthcare services, drawn by its high-quality care and low costs. Visitors should note that upon arrival, purchasing local health insurance is mandatory to cover any unexpected medical expenses. While this might seem unusual, it ensures access to affordable healthcare during your stay. Private hospitals are also an option for those seeking specialized care, offering services at rates significantly lower than in Western countries. Education in Belarus is another area where the government invests heavily. Public schooling, from kindergarten to university, is free for citizens, making education accessible to everyone. Universities offer a range of programs, and some students opt for paid courses or study abroad opportunities for a broader experience. This strong emphasis on education has resulted in a highly literate and skilled population. For visitors, the affordability of healthcare and education highlights the country's commitment to providing a high quality of life. Whether you're a tourist or considering a longer stay, these systems ensure you're well cared for, making Belarus an attractive destination for families, retirees, and expats alike. Belarusian women and culture. More than meets the eye. Belarusian women are often celebrated not only for their beauty but also for their strength, education, and rich cultural values. Their striking features include high cheekbones, fair skin, and captivating eyes, a blend of Slavic heritage that leaves a lasting impression. However, their charm is more than skin deep. Many Belarusian women are highly educated, with a literacy rate in the country exceeding 99%. They take pride in balancing tradition with modernity, creating a harmonious blend of grace and independence. In Belarus, family values are deeply rooted, and women often play a significant role in maintaining household traditions. They are known for their hospitality, often going above and beyond to make guests feel welcome. It's not uncommon for visitors to be invited into homes for a meal, where dishes like draniki, potato pancakes, and beetroot soup are served with warmth and love. The social dynamics in Belarus are also unique. Due to the gender imbalance, where there are significantly more women than men, women are actively engaged in cultural activities, sports, and community-building initiatives. This creates an environment where individuality and achievements are celebrated. For those visiting Belarus, making connections with locals is effortless. The genuine friendliness and openness of Belarusian women, and the population in general, make this country an inviting destination. If you're intrigued by this aspect of Belarusian life, share your thoughts in the comments below. Vibrant festivals and events. A celebration of Belarusian spirit. Belarus is alive with festivals that showcase its cultural richness and love for celebration. One of the most iconic events is the Slaviansky Bazaar in Vitebsk. This international arts festival celebrates music, theater, and dance, attracting performers and spectators from around the globe. The colorful performances, bustling markets, and lively atmosphere make it a must-see for visitors. For those who love folklore, the Maslenitsa festival is a delightful celebration marking the end of winter and the arrival of spring. This week-long event features pancake feasts, sledding competitions, and folk music performances. The vibrant energy and communal spirit make it a joyful experience for locals and tourists alike. Another fascinating festival is the Kupala Night, a midsummer celebration steeped in ancient traditions. This event focuses on love and romance, with unique rituals like floating wreaths down rivers to predict romantic futures. It's a magical experience that offers a glimpse into Belarusian folklore and spirituality. Music enthusiasts should not miss the Miram Music Festival, which showcases the country's evolving music scene, from electronic beats to soulful pop. These festivals not only provide entertainment but also serve as windows into the evolving identity of Belarus, blending tradition with modernity. If festivals and celebrations are your thing, consider planning your visit to Belarus around these events to fully immerse yourself in the local culture. Nature and wildlife. The lungs of Europe. Belarus is a haven for nature lovers, often referred to as the lungs of Europe, due to its extensive forests and pristine landscapes. With 36% of the country covered in lush greenery, it offers a peaceful retreat for those looking to escape urban chaos. The crown jewel of Belarusian nature is the Belovezskaya Pushcha National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that is home to the majestic European bison. Lakes are another highlight of Belarus's natural beauty. With over 11,000 lakes dotting the landscape, visitors can enjoy activities like kayaking, fishing, and hiking. Lake Narak, the largest freshwater lake, is a popular destination for water sports and serene picnics. In winter, these lakes transform into playgrounds for ice fishing and cross-country skiing, offering year-round opportunities for adventure. Forests like the Belovezskaya Pushcha also house a diverse range of wildlife, including wolves, lynxes, and rare bird species, making them a paradise for wildlife photographers and enthusiasts. These natural havens are not just beautiful but also vital for the country's ecosystem, earning Belarus its reputation as an environmentally conscious nation. Whether you're hiking through dense forests, exploring tranquil lakes, or observing wildlife, Belarus offers a connection to nature that few countries can match. It's a place where you can truly breathe in the beauty of the earth. Tourism highlights. Discover the gems of Belarus. Belarus is a treasure trove of historical and cultural landmarks. Start your journey in Minsk, the capital, which is renowned for its cleanliness and organized layout. The Trinity Hill area in Minsk is a charming blend of cobblestone streets, historic buildings, and cozy cafes. It offers a glimpse into the country's past while providing modern amenities. The Mir Castle Complex, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is another must-visit. This architectural marvel combines Gothic, Baroque, and Renaissance styles, offering a peek into the lives of Belarusian nobility. Visitors can explore the castle's interiors, stroll through its gardens, or enjoy a peaceful boat ride on the surrounding lake. Nature enthusiasts will love the Breslav Lakes National Park, a stunning destination filled with crystal-clear lakes, sandy beaches, and dense forests. It's an ideal spot for camping, hiking, and birdwatching. For those interested in history, the Brest Hero Fortress stands as a solemn reminder of Belarus's resilience during World War II. The fortress, now a museum, commemorates the heroic efforts of soldiers who defended it during the Nazi invasion. Belarus's tourist attractions are as diverse as its culture, offering something for every traveler. From ancient castles to modern cities, this country promises an enriching experience. Visa and travel tips. Traveling to Belarus is becoming increasingly accessible thanks to relaxed visa regulations. Citizens from many countries, including the EU and the US, can enter Belarus visa-free for up to 30 days if arriving through Minsk International Airport. However, if your plans involve a longer stay or entry via land borders, you'll need to apply for a visa. The visa application process is straightforward and can be completed through Belarusian embassies or consulates. Make sure to have all necessary documents, including proof of accommodation, travel insurance, and a return ticket. It's worth noting that health insurance is mandatory for all visitors. While Belarus offers free healthcare to its residents, tourists must purchase local health insurance upon arrival to ensure coverage for any medical emergencies. To make the most of your trip, consider visiting during the spring or summer months when the weather is mild and outdoor activities are plentiful. Pack comfortable clothing, and don't forget your camera to capture the breathtaking scenery and vibrant culture. With these tips in mind, you're ready to explore one of Europe's most underrated destinations. Belarus is waiting to welcome you with open arms and endless adventures. Belarus is a land full of surprises, a blend of nature, culture, and affordability that makes it a hidden gem in Europe. Whether you're drawn by its pristine landscapes, warm hospitality, or cost-effective lifestyle, this country offers a unique experience for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends. Let us know in the comments what you found most fascinating about Belarus or if you're planning a visit soon. Join us for our next documentary as we uncover more hidden treasures around the world. See you next time.